A victim in captive. The State of Vermont Collaborative Cynical Abuse of Law Court of Competent Jurisdiction imposed insanity, silenced cover-up public judicial corruption, conspiracy, racketeering victim in captive at the Forbidden Internment Camp. The very same 117th United States Congress imposed mental health adjudicate reformed. Safer Communities Act enslaved marginalized communities, fundamental constitutional rights usurped, deprived, crime violence infested nurtured rehabilitation program. A billions of dollars U.S. government funded human commodity. American lives in contract at the hands of RICO, racketeer-influenced corrupt organization. The States of the Union, United States Government Judicial, NGO nonprofit.org, collaborative clandestine regime.
Housing.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why we met. Our continued connection has been because at that time I created a case file for you. We've returned to connect numerous times.
Yes.
Sometimes out of that necessity.
Yes. Always was that necessity.
And at this time, I'm helping you to do these economic services calls, and my hope is that we'll be able to get an ID for you and a social security card to start working towards housing.
I am referred. You came into me, then now this every coordinating, housing coordinating, who are you reporting it to?
Either the path grant, I guess, is
path
where
grant under who?
Under the path grant is a federal grant, so it's created by the.
But on that grant,
I think the guy that there's a new Adnan.
But you work for
CHC.
CHC. Okay. Now, you are helping me with the housing, right?
Mm-hmm.
The coordination at the Days Inn.
Mm-hmm.
The coordination was kept me in the dark. It was 2 days, and then when I checked in, it was 1 day.
Mm-hmm.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what happened. Yeah.
That's what happened, and after that, for me, there was no hotel in Chittenden County.
Mm-hmm. You called again. It sounds like they said no. There's no hotel. That's Sunday. Yeah. You called 211.
Yeah.
So there was no hotel the second day, even though they said there would be.
And it gone week by week, many weeks.
And then after that, I think I tried to get in touch with you that Monday. I believe you were in the hospital or something along those lines. I think that Tuesday we connected. We got you. I forget if there was anything.
After a few weeks, we got the next one in coordination. We found Rothland. Yeah. The Quality Inn. Yeah. That was also the coordination kept me in the darkness. Mm-hmm. The housing coordination, it was for 2 days, and then kept me for a whole week, another extension. Mm-hmm. I check out from there. That also, a ill coordinated knowledge given to me. Check out date is different than they was given to me, right? Same thing happened at Rockland.
Yeah, I can't off the top of my head.
So that's why I was always telling you, to write it down, to coordinate in email.
Yeah.
Right?
In this case, it was the second. We had an exchange yesterday where I was telling you that. They said it was a week last Thursday.
Right.
It was this Thursday. It was on my calendar. Mm-hmm. And that's why we planned to connect this morning to do this call.
This at the schedule on, that coordination, I was being sent until May the 6th, right? Mm-hmm. That was the coordination?
This must have been a mistake that you were told that, but we are here right now on the 2nd having coordinated this.
Yes, that's what we did, because it was ill knowledge given to me. It was when last coordination happened. Mm-hmm. It was told me it was until the 6th.
Yeah, it sounds like that was a mistake between
Same
us.
thing.
Yeah.
Right? It's over and over happening.
Yeah.
You know. It's a very uncertain moment to me, right?
Yeah.
But
In
Dr.
this-
Lincoln Heath, Lincoln Heath or Seth?
Heath.
Lincoln Heath, right? And he has, I never went to see him. How, I don't know how.
You've come to Safe Harbor before. I believe you
Yeah.
have a medical chart.
No, I have a chart. That doesn't mean
Yeah.
that I gave him, he's my doctor.
Yeah. But
No.
I didn't say he's your doctor.
No, that's what I am saying. I'm not saying you.
Yeah.
But you are reporting to him, and he is the part of that team, you know, who is coordinating the housing and my vulnerability.
No.
So
no, I'm
who
sorry.
then?
I need to get to the next client that I have.
Okay, so
I'm
who
running
is
away.
then? Who is then? Can you give me the information? Why or to
It
whom
sounds
you
like
report?
I need to summarize to you how this
No,
who has access to this information.
Yeah, and who you report?
Okay.
Well, that's all I want to know. Who you report?
Okay.
At the CHC Community Health Center.
Yeah, I report to Leighton Johnson is a therapist. That's who I. That's
Lincoln Johnson.
Leighton.
Leighton Johnson.
Leighton Johnson.
That's not a doctor.
He's my supervisor.
Okay.
So is that what you're wondering?
Yes.
Yeah, Leighton.
What is designation?
He's a therapist there who is also my supervisor.
Therapist on what?
Or as he's what do you mean on what?
Therapist. Is he a doctor or he is a therapist of what?
A licensed social worker.
Therapist is a social worker.
He's a licensed
Licensed
therapist, social
therapist
worker.
what? A therapist on what?
And
Can you
mental health.
explain me?
Mental health counselor.
Mental health.
Yeah.
Who sent me there? After all, are you from there too? All right, thank you for that information you gave me. Right?
Victims of forbidden justice. Innocent little angels. Children. American lives in captive at the clandestine internment camp. The very same 117th United States Congressional Reformed Safer Community Act. So-called vulnerable populations' chronic illness, education, food, health, housing, socioeconomic, judicial poverty, mental health. Adjudicate enslaved, marginalized community. A billions of dollars U.S. federal government funded, silenced, contained, managed human commodity. American lives in contract at the hands of RICO.
Not let it play.
No!
Why?
I have a question for you.
What?
These are the shampoo.
Do we have bars of soap anywhere?
No,
We're out
right.
of bar of soap.
Not a single bar soap.
No, we are waiting for an order to come in.
Is there very often like that? These children without bar soap they go on?
We really, we just ran out, and it's the first time we run out in 6 months that I've worked here. So, Christy just has to order some more stuff.
Same thing with the housekeeping. I was scheduled for the
She
housekeeping.
said she would come tomorrow to do it for you.
Yeah, I'm not going to be here tomorrow.
Okay.
But the thing is, you know, that's being scheduled, right?
Give me
It should be done, right? But you can write it down, right?
Yep,
Hey,
I'm going to do that right now.
you all are the mother, grandmother. I see a lot of children, right?
No. So,
Many, yeah.
okay, so 2 of the boys, the ones with the puffy hair, they're my stepkids.
And
the other little boy that's with them, the mulatto one is their cousin.
And then the blonde that you met the other day in the hallway, that's mine.
Yes, I saw.
And then the older one with the glasses, that one's mine too.
Yes.
And then the boy you were talking to the other day in the hallway,
Yes,
that one's mine too.
You see, they're
None
children.
of them are mine.
No, but the point is they're children. They
That's not
deserve.
like she's gonna have
They
about 40
deserve.
more.
They deserve better than that.
You might want to
Yeah.
talk to
Right?
the servants
Yeah.
that just got it.
Yes,
They
sir.
come down here and play. Everybody complains about them playing, but
they not the play only. They, instead of the room full of old clothes, they deserve the new clothes.
Yeah.
And they have all the money for the new clothes. They have all the money, the better soap, bar soap in the world to get. Let's see if I can bring them truckload of it. All right?
all right. Thank
That's
you.
your children.
Thank you.
Hey, stop it.